In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your OpenArt AI account step by step and make sure you fully understand what happens before you confirm it. If you no longer want to use the platform or you simply want to remove your account and data, this guide will walk you through the exact process in just a minute. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's get right into it. First, log into your OpenArt AI account using the email and password connected to your profile. Once you're inside your dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This is where OpenArt keeps your account options and personal settings. After you open that menu, select Settings or, depending on what you see, Manage Account. The wording can change slightly, but you're looking for the area that controls your account details. Next, go to the Manage Account section. Here, you should see the option to permanently remove your account. Click Delete My Account and Data. This is the important step because it tells OpenArt that you want to delete both your account and the data associated with it. After that, OpenArt will ask you to verify the request. In the verification box, type delete in all lowercase letters. Make sure you spell it exactly as shown because the confirmation will not work if the text is capitalized or entered incorrectly. Once you've typed it in, take a moment to double check that you're ready to continue because this action may be permanent and could remove access to your saved content, settings, and account history. When you're sure, click the final Delete My Account button to complete the process. At that point, OpenArt should begin the account deletion process and confirm that your request has been submitted, and that's it. You've now deleted your OpenArt AI account. If this video helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more step-by-step tutorials for other apps and websites. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.